Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Bluetooth problem. If your desktop or laptop Bluetooth is not working, then this video is for you. So before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more these types of important video. And also hit the like button of this video. So let's get started. In this video I'll show you 3 easy methods for fix the Bluetooth not working problem. Okay, so first of all let me show you the first method. In the first method, first of all go to the search bar and type here services, then go to the system settings, then here find out Bluetooth related services. Here as you can see I have got 3 Bluetooth related services. We have to make sure these all services are running. Okay, here you can see first one is Bluetooth audio gateway services. It's not running here, so just right click on it, go to properties, and here in status select automatic, click on start, then apply. After that click on OK. Here you can see this second services is running, so we don't need to change it. If you want you can select automatic in it, like this way turn on this third one. Okay, if you see these 3 Bluetooth related services is not turned on, then you have to turn on like this way. After that close the page and start your PC. I hope it will fix your problem. If it is not fix your problem, then let me show you another method. First of all type here in search bar device manager, then open it, then find out here Bluetooth and expand it, then right click on this Bluetooth device adapter and update this driver. Click on update driver, then click on search automatically for driver. That's it. Now close this tab. Like this way also update this driver. That's it. Now close this tab, restart your PC and try again. But if you are not able to see any Bluetooth driver in the device manager, then you have to download this driver for your Windows. Okay, so let me show you. First of all go to the Chrome browser and search here Bluetooth driver for Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, then you can search for Windows 10. Okay, so here go to this Intel official website. As you can see here this driver will be work on both Windows 11 and 10. Okay, so scroll down, click on this download option, then click on I accept the terms and wait until complete the download. Okay, after download this exe file, just open it. Here you can see I have got a message, are you sure want to upgrade driver version? Cause I have already installed this driver, so I'm gonna click on yes. Then you will get a page like this. So here just click on next, again click on next, then check mark on this box, I accept the terms, then next. After that here below click on complete, then click on install. That's it. Now this driver will be installed. After install this driver, just restart your PC and again check your Bluetooth. I hope any of this method will be fix your problem. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more details of important video. Thanks for watching this video.